This method is used to rebond a lifted land. Liquid epoxy is inserted under and around the land to bond it back down to the circuit board surface. The minimum skill level needed to complete this procedure reliably is advanced. The conformance level reached when this procedure is completed properly is medium. See the web page for a list of the tools and materials required to complete this procedure. The procedure follows. Step 1. Clean the area. Step 2. Remove any obstructions that prevent the lifted land from making contact with the baseboard surface. Caution. Be careful while cleaning and removing all obstructions not to stretch or damage the lifted land. Step 3. Mix the epoxy. Step 4. Carefully apply a small amount of epoxy under the entire length of the lifted land. The tip of the knife or scraper may be used to apply the epoxy. Step 5. Place a piece of high-temperature tape over the lifted land and press the land down into the epoxy and into contact with the baseboard material. Step 6. Apply additional epoxy to the surface of the lifted land and to all sides as needed. Step 7. Cure the epoxy per Procedure 2.7 Epoxy mixing and handling. Use caution. Some components may be sensitive to high temperatures. Note: double-sided and multi-layer circuit boards may require an eyelet to restore the through connection. Refer to Section 5.0 Plated hole procedures. Step 8. Carefully remove any excess epoxy inside the plated hole using a ball mill or drill bit. Turn the ball mill or drill bit by hand to prevent damage to the wall of the plated through hole. Step 9. Install the proper component and solder in place. Note: this method is used to repair lifted lands, but the repaired lands may not have an intermetallic connection to the remaining plated hole. The solder joint of the replaced component will restore the integrity of the electrical connection, or an eyelet or bus wire may be used. See plated hole repair procedures. Step 10. Replace surface coating to match prior coating as required. Evaluation. Step 1. Visual examination and tape test per IPCTM 650 Test Method 2.4.1. Step 2. Electrical tests as applicable.